Bike thieves are the worst. When I'm riding, I feel great, smiling ear to ear. But when I have to get off the bike and leave it somewhere, that's when the problems start. My lock is either too small and unable to lock anything, or simply forgotten at home. There has to be a better way. A bike that is itself a lock. Fully integrated into the frame, this new lock is really 3 locks in one, securing both front and back wheels as well as the frame. As a result, the lock is invisible to the eye, impossible to forget, and secures all vital elements of the bike. Plus, if a thief does decide to cut the lock, they're only damaging their own profits.